Hello everyone, this is Maryam and I'm super excited to be here as the May 2019 Altenew guest designer. For today's project, I'm going to be using the Beautiful Days stamp set as well as two mini ink cube sets, which are Spring Bouquet and Soft Pastel. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing I did was to stamp the beautiful layer flower from the stamp set I mentioned before. I started with the lighter colors to the darker ones. I did 3 different color combinations, and for the first one I used pink tones, for the second one I used more orangey tones, and for the last one I used a mix of blues and purples. I also stamped the leaves that came in the stamp set, and I used the greens from the Spring Bouquet mini ink cube set. I repeated this process several times until I had a bunch of flowers and leaves. So I am not really sure what happened with my camera, but I lost one of the clips where I show you the die cutting process of some metal leaves and me trying to decide the placement of the flowers. I tried to recover it, but I couldn't. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, let's get back to the layout. Okay, so here I am adhering some of the leaves I stamped before, and I'm using some liquid adhesive to do that. Next, I added some wood veneer shapes from the Our Family Scrapbook collection. I think they add a really nice touch to the layout as well as a little bit of dimension. I thought that the page needed some more color, especially in the right side, so I decided to try different strips of pattern paper, but in the end, I chose one from the Live Your Dream 12x12 paper set. Then I added some layers of paper behind my photo and adhered it to my page. I also put the title on my journaling, added some leaves and a little squirrel from the Spring Fling stamp set. And my Altenew friends finishes off this layout. So here are some close-up shots. I absolutely loved working with the Beautiful Days stamp set. The flowers were just so beautiful, and I think they were a great element to add to my page. I hope you guys enjoyed this process, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!